welcome back to the channel. Today we are turning a simple coconut into a spooky Halloween experiment. Ready? Let's dive in. First, we are going to take a coconut and give it a spooky makeover by painting it black. So I have taken acrylic color for it. Take a broader brush because it will help you paint it faster. My little helper is on board, adding some fun with those messy paintbrush strokes. Once it's all black, we are adding creepy white eyes just like a monster. And it is completely done. Let it dry for some time and make two holes. I have taken help from my team and we've taken a drill machine to drill two holes. Now time for real magic. I'm painting it to give it a real look. Here I'm making some eyes. These are the brows. Let's make a nose. This is not a regular nose, and making some scars. Now let's make a note of what all things are required. We'll need baking soda, vinegar, some liquid soap, red food color, a funnel and a straw. Also take a tray so that your space doesn't become messy. From the top of the coconut, we are pouring in some baking soda, liquid soap, food color, and now mix it. This is where the spooky fun really begins. We add vinegar and watch the creepy red foam ooze out of the eyes. It's like our coconut is alive. This is such a cool and easy activity for Halloween. Try it with your little ones and get ready for some spooky fun. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY adventures.